Hey guys, in this 1 minute video, I'll show you how to fix error 9 on a Shark Robot vacuum, which usually means a wheel motor or wheel movement problem. Step 1. Power reset the robot. First, take the robot off the charging dock. Turn it off, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 2. Clean both wheels. Flip the robot upside down. Now remove hair, thread, or dust stuck in the left and right wheel area. Make sure nothing is blocking the wheels. Step 3. Test wheel movement. Spin both wheels using your hand. They should rotate freely and smoothly. If a wheel feels stuck, clean deeper around the axle. Step 4. Clean the wheel axles. Use a small brush, toothpick, or compressed air to remove debris inside the wheel gaps. Step 5. Run the robot again. Put the robot back on the floor and start cleaning. In most cases, error 9 disappears immediately after wheel cleaning.